Splashswap. In this video, I will tell you about how to buy the Splashswap tokens and from where it is listed, and I will also tell you a immovable roadmap of the project, and it is an interesting project I will tell you in this video. So here you can see about the token that what is Splashswap. As you already know, leading innovation as it is a decentralized finance. In today's world, crypto is increasing day by day, and I will tell you more about in this video about the listings. Where it is listed, you can see Bank and CoinTiger as well as PancakeSwap and Uniswap. And these four are the exchanges where it is listed, and I will tell you how to buy in the PancakeSwap from here. First of all, you can see in the Binance BSC scan, you can see that it is listed here that I am gonna show you where is the contract address. Here is the contract address of the token. You have to copy it and you have to check it that whether it is listed or not. So I'm going to paste the address here. You can see I already added the SPL token here, and I am gonna see that what is 1 SPL is equal to. So 1 SPL is equal to that much BUSD. As I am going to buy more, then I have to connect my wallet first of all. After that, by connecting the wallet, then you can easily buy the SPL token. So it is an amazing one. You can see their graph too, as on the time, on the dates too. It has an impressive impact, and you can see here in the BSC scan as well. So the total supply is that much SPL and the holders are that much 4,000.
And a clear roadmap of the SPL token, the Splashswap token, and we will be discussing in this project that how to buy Splashswap and where you can buy it. Here is a clear roadmap as well. As you can see, in December the heavy marketing PooCoin listing will be there, and the Conzilla like listing on websites, Bank, Hotbit, Get.io, Bitmart and Ethereum bridge. Well, all the things will be here for you guys, and you are going to show you that December has already been here in you guys, and it has been here, the SPL token. In February 2022 there will be some more listing, like the Splashswap will be trading, staking and farming. You already know about the staking is in nowadays is going away high and high, and that will be quite nice in all aspects. And in April, a Splashswap mobile app will be launched. This will be a best achievement for the project of Splashswap, and that will continually going to the growing of the project. So that will be quite nice. So in January, opening the first office in Europe as well as the marketing office will be there. The preparing swap exchange will also be for the SPL token. That is quite nice. In March, the Everon listing, influencer Skynet listing will be there. Like the Trust Wallet logo, for example, people are going to get it and they are going to make a marketing average history, and that will be nice in all aspects. People are going to get it. They are going to make some extraordinary thinking about the project, like they are not doing very well, but in main occasion the project has a nice features. The mobile app will be in April 2022, as I had already discussed with you in the upper portion in the roadmap that it will be happening soon. So be ready for the app, and it will be available on the Google Play Store as well as in the App Store. So quite nice. And what they are going, they had accomplished it like that. The private sale has already been ended, the pre-sale, the locked liquidity pool, launch on PancakeSwap, live on the CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, and listings Bank, CoinTiger, 4 exchanges are there which has already been listed. And in the previous video I had already discussed with you all of these with having some much more reliability, and the Indox and the Coinsbit as well.